Hey, it's GPS and Track, and we had a recovery which we handle pretty much every single day, but I wanted to show this one. This was outside of Denver. This is a stolen trailer, stolen from our client's business, taken about 30 miles away outside of Denver. Because it has a tracker on it, he was alerted right away. You can see the distance where it started over here, and then kind of where it ended over here. And as you can see, this is the exact location, right? So he's able to call the police. He's able to head over there, obviously secure his stolen equipment, his stolen trailer. But this is showing exactly where it is. You know, people are like, oh, I need this address. Disneyland has one address. USC has one address. This is the parking space. So it makes it really easy to detect where your equipment is, where it went, when it left, when it's being used, when it's not supposed to. This is truly the power of GPS tracking. And you know, those that are like, oh, I'm using air tags or whatever, do some research. Those are running off people's phones and they're not satellite tracking. Here's the stolen trailer. So by tracking in real time, he was able to, this is him, take a picture, let the police know my trailer is stolen. Really nice neighborhood, by the way. Possibly somebody that stole it, they need it for a next job. Maybe they're technically borrowing it. But again, this is GPS tracking. This is how awesome this technology is. You got to be tracking your equipment, your cars, your trailers, anything of theft value. You should be tracking with our units or somebody's units. As long as it's GPS tracking, we're cool with it.